Oh, what's going on? you at that? Okay. Yeah, y'all can take out all that.
Huh?
You can take it out. Y'all was still trying while I'm on the way?
Yeah, they trying pretty close.
Okay. Alright, let it stay. Let it stay. I got it. I got it now. You can take that out now. You can get it. That one ain't gonna pop out there.
It should go indoor.
Okay. There you go. Forward, that what it. Can get all the wires off now. What you do? The wire? You get the key, you get the key?
You can see the key.
Get the key because the alarm is off right now.
Bye, bro.
That's that.
Bye, bro.
Who that? Okay, I thought.